Warning: anything done on this channel, it's done safely, and we recommends not to do everything we do at home. Now enjoy the video.
Yes, people, we've got the electric quad out. We're in the snow. Let's rip it. This is gonna be sick. I've already had a test run. I'll put that on the screen. It's sick, bro. So let's get ripping. Let's go. This is an off-road quad bike as well, and we've got snow. I need to get my glove on. I've not rid on the snow except to get it here. Oh, look at the tyres. Oh, it's amazing. We can drift. Let's go. Oh, we good? We're outside. We good? I went to grab my phone, and well, it flew. Well, to be fair, yeah, I'm not surprised I crashed into it. That's flimsy as hell. One of the legs is bloody bent, so I've packed it in. This literally falls off every time. Ah!
Ooh, you're hard. Show.
I'm not joking. It's easy to repair. There you go. All jokes aside though, it was good making this video for you lot, and I hope to make more with the quads and dirt bikes, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned!